Hey guys, doing a quick video here quick on the old meat chickens, but Mr. Clyde's trying to help me out today. Tell him hi, Clyde. Miniature donkey, Mr. Clyde. Anyhow, back to the original purpose of this video. The meat birds, the sea monsters, doing good. This is now, I think, almost 2 weeks since our last video, roughly. Clearly getting bigger. Oh, we've only lost 2 so far, but they're all start looking really good. Growing bigger than their feathers. Everybody seems pretty happy. Old pink butts. So yeah, it's been, as you can see, let's take a little walk. Let me lock this door here. I think about 2 weeks, so let's see here. We got 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, I think the 4 day, and then 5 over there. The wife left them. He pushed them back and forth 1 or 2 days, so we're over. I'll have to check, but as you can see, every spot where they've been down through here, yeah, they beat the grass up, but all new grass seed was planted. And I'll show you up here where we first started out that first Sunday. Thank you for getting waters. You're spilling though. You're spilling all over. But here's where we originally started. I think we're almost a week and a half, and you can tell there's the grass coming in. So, and all this is really growing very tall and green. So once all that catches up, all this is gonna look extremely nice. Thanks to our meat birds. We just came down here, started them right here. And I don't see any new grass growing, but yet. It's only been like a week and a half. Grass takes about a week to germinate usually. Haven't gotten a lot of rain either, so.
I need help lifting this.
Looks like you got her pretty good to me.
Yeah, well, let's wait till I drop it.
Don't drop it. So yeah, fresh water, morning and night. We switched their feed to our local, let me go in there, buddy, to our local mill feed dealer. We went to a it's more powdery than crumbles. So it looks like they last a lot longer, and it's cheap. Give us a really good deal on it, so makes it really worth growing these things out, in my opinion. Pretty sure we're going on almost. Let's see here. We put them out at 3.5. So they're almost 5 weeks old. I think they're just over 5 weeks. 5 weeks, 2 days, I believe. So everybody's happy. Everybody looks really good, except for him. Oh, okay, must have had a cramp. But all right, well, I guess that's it for now. Like I said, subscribe. Like the video, share it with your friends. If anybody's looking at how to raise meat birds, we're doing it every day. Pretty simple. Feeder, water, grass. Move it every day, so that way they got fresh grass, fresh bugs. All right, guys, we'll check you out here in the next one. Thanks.